welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of robotics. Robotics is the branch of technology that involves the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Over the years, it has evolved from simple mechanical devices to complex autonomous systems capable of performing tasks with high precision and efficiency. Robots are now integral in various sectors, from manufacturing and healthcare to daily life, improving productivity, ensuring safety, and even assisting in critical medical procedures. Join us as we explore the origin, development, and future of this transformative technology, tracing its journey from ancient automata to today's cutting-edge advancements. As we move forward, you'll see how the idea of creating machines that mimic human actions traces back to ancient times. Let's begin with these early concepts. The idea of creating machines that mimic human actions dates back to ancient times. Our fascination with automata began with early mythologies and philosophical writings. Civilizations like the Greeks and Egyptians created mechanical devices that performed simple tasks, reflecting their advanced engineering understanding. In ancient Greece, Archytas constructed a mechanical bird powered by steam, and Hero of Alexandria designed automated devices, including a wind-powered organ and mechanized puppets for theater. In ancient China, inventors crafted intricate mechanical devices as early as the 3rd century BCE, with records of humanoid figures capable of serving tea or striking bells. These early innovations laid the groundwork for today's elaborate machines and robots, demonstrating the enduring human drive to blend creativity and technology. As we unravel these beginnings, it becomes clear that robotics is deeply intertwined with our quest to push the boundaries of what's possible. Next, we'll explore how the Industrial Revolution propelled these early concepts into modern automation. The Industrial Revolution stands as a pivotal moment in history, bringing unprecedented advancements in automation. During this era, mechanized processes began transforming manufacturing. These early automated systems vastly improved efficiency and set the stage for future innovations. As machines took over repetitive tasks, humans were freed to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. This shift in labor dynamics revolutionized industries and laid the groundwork for modern robotics. By integrating automation into manufacturing, we began a journey toward increasingly sophisticated technology. As we move forward, you'll see how these foundational changes evolved into the robots we know today. In the mid-20th century, modern robotics took a monumental leap forward with the development of the first programmable robots. Visionary inventors like George Devil and Joseph Engelberger pioneered this era. Devill's groundbreaking creation, the Unimate, revolutionized manufacturing, automating tasks with precision and reliability, marking the beginning of an industry that forever changed production. From assembly lines to space exploration, these early advancements paved the way for the diverse applications of robotics we see today. Their impact spans fields like healthcare, agriculture, and service industries. As we delve further into the history of robotics, we witness an ongoing evolution driven by creativity and determination. Next, we explore the technological advancements propelling robotics to new heights. In recent years, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning have significantly pushed the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Integrating sensors and actuators has further enhanced their ability to interact intelligently and efficiently with their environment. These technological breakthroughs have increased robots' precision and adaptability and expanded their applications across various fields. Today, robots can learn from and adapt to data, making them more autonomous and effective in complex tasks. As we delve deeper into these advancements, you'll discover how they have transformed robotics into an indispensable tool in numerous industries and everyday life. Moving forward, we'll explore the profound impact of robotics in specific sectors, shedding light on their revolutionary influence. Robotics has fundamentally transformed manufacturing. In factories worldwide, robots tirelessly assemble, weld, and package, significantly outperforming human capabilities in speed and precision. This revolution isn't just about replacing human labor but enhancing productivity and efficiency in unimaginable ways. Robots can operate 24/7 without fatigue, maintaining consistent quality levels and minimizing errors. They handle dangerous and repetitive tasks, freeing human workers to focus on more complex and creative challenges. This industrial evolution has led to a surge in output and a reduction in operational costs, reshaping industries from automotive to electronics. As we explore this transformation, we'll see how these advancements set new standards and redefine what's possible in manufacturing. Stay with us as we explore the next frontier in robotics deployment and their impact across diverse fields. In healthcare, the impact of robotics has been revolutionary. Surgical robots add precision and stability to complex procedures, allowing surgeons to perform with enhanced accuracy. Robots are transforming patient care, assisting nurses and doctors in ways that enhance efficiency and compassion. From automated medication dispensers to robotic companions providing emotional support, these technologies are paving the way for a new era in medicine. Robotics isn't just changing healthcare, it's redefining possibilities, bringing us closer to a future where medical care is safer, more precise, and more accessible. As we move forward, let's explore how robotics is integrating into various aspects of our daily lives, making the seemingly impossible possible. Robots are increasingly becoming a part of our everyday lives. From smart home assistants like voice-activated devices that control lighting and temperature to robotic vacuum cleaners that keep our floors spotless, robotics are transforming our interaction with technology. Picture efficient service bots in restaurants delivering meals or automated kiosks providing quick and accurate customer service. These innovations enhance our convenience, efficiency, and productivity. The seamless integration of robotics into our daily routines is more than just a technological marvel, it's reshaping how we live and work. As we continue our exploration, you'll see how robotics address some of the most challenging tasks in various industries, redefining possibilities and creating new opportunities. Let's uncover the true extent of robotics' influence. Despite incredible advancements, robotics still faces significant challenges. Technically, we grapple with issues like programming complexity, sensor limitations, and mimicking human dexterity. These obstacles require ongoing innovation and relentless problem-solving. Ethically, questions arise about robots' role in society. How do we ensure automation doesn't lead to mass unemployment? What safeguards prevent AI from making harmful decisions? These dilemmas strike at the heart of our social fabric. However, the robotics community addresses these concerns. Innovations in AI pave the way for more reliable and versatile robots. Ethical frameworks and policies guide the responsible use of robotics. Each challenge presents opportunities for growth and improvement. As we contemplate these hurdles and efforts to overcome them, we set the stage for exploring future trends and potential applications. As we stand on the brink of tomorrow, the future of robotics gleams with untold potential. Emerging trends like advanced AI, new materials, and enhanced human-machine interfaces are shaping a world where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives. Imagine robots' transformative power in fields we're yet to fully explore, from personalized healthcare to deep space exploration. Today's innovations will define tomorrow's possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what we believe robots can achieve. Robotics isn't just about machines, it's about unlocking human potential and improving our world. As we close this chapter, let's look forward with excitement and curiosity. The journey of discovery is far from over. We've journeyed through the history and advancements of robotics, from ancient automata to futuristic possibilities. Innovators turned imaginative concepts into groundbreaking technologies, overcoming monumental challenges. Robots have revolutionized industries, entered healthcare, integrated into our homes, and continue to push the boundaries of possible. But this is just the beginning. Robotics is ever evolving, filled with endless opportunities for discovery and innovation. So, Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of robotics. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, student, or intrigued by science and technology, your journey doesn't end here. Dive deeper, ask questions, and be part of this incredible frontier. Thank you for joining us, and remember, the future is what we make of it.